Hey everybody, curious how the Oviedo market's been doing in real estate for September of 2023? Stay tuned and we're going to discuss that. Tim Weigel here with Watson Realty, and welcome to this Monday's market update where we're going to dive deep into Oviedo and the real estate market. So, what we will be discussing today. First, the Oviedo real estate market. So, what buyers and sellers can expect to see. We'll then dive a little bit into the Oviedo rental market, as well as the Oviedo investment market. And lastly, we'll touch up on how the mortgage market is looking today. So for Oviedo over the last 5 years in September, you can see September 2019, we were at 92 homes sold, and now we dropped to our lowest in the last 5 years, 66 homes sold. Days on market is at 20, so that's still within line of the last couple of years, 4 years or so. And then median sales price, we actually jumped up in the month of September to $492,000. Compared to 5 years ago, we were at $327,713. So, but as you can tell, we are incrementally going up. And you'd think with the increased pressure of mortgage rates that it would be going the opposite direction, but that is not the case. What's happening is we have less homes to sell, therefore the upward trend of median prices are going to go up, and there's going to be pressure pushing those prices up because we need homes. No homes, people need a place to live, they're going to pay. So that's kind of where we are in the market. We are probably going to start seeing it level off a little bit. We've already started seeing that a little bit as the year goes on. But as you can tell, we're still kicking it in full gear. Now, as far as the rental market goes, also kicking in full gear, but the last 2 months, or last 2 years for 2 months of September 2022 and September 2023, we're at 2,400 is the median rent price in Oviedo. We have seen steady decrease, and now just a little forewarned, this is only MLS data. There's a lot of other places where people sell it on third-party sites or rent homes on third-party sites or for rent by owners. So the data is going to be a little skewed to only those that put it in the MLS. Days on market is 23, 24 the last couple of years. We had a dip off, obviously, in September 2021, but we're back to where we normally were in 2020 and 2019. So, but still, prices have increased by almost $800 a month. It's a huge increase. Now, as far as the investment market goes, you take the number of what rent's currently going for with the median price, it's good baseline, about 5.8% on average. Now, if you do really good with the way you set it up, purchase it, negotiate down on prices and terms, you might be able to get a higher one. But if you get anything above 5.8% in Oviedo, that right now looks like a stellar deal. Now, there is one duplex that is currently active. It's listed at $649,000 with approximate $38,000 annual income for it or whatever. That brings you to an annual ROI of about 5.8%. So it's within target. The only thing that makes this duplex a little bit on the risky side is currently is vacant. So you can say all you want that the market will bring this. Doesn't always mean it will. So that's the biggest risk on that one on there. But outside of it, the numbers look like it's going to be in line with what the median is. Now let's look at the mortgage market. Currently, give or take, based off FICO scores, your conventional 30-year fixed 7.8 to 8.125. Then your FHA is about 7.125 to 7.375. So, and it all depends on your credit. If your credit's really good, you're not going to have a big deal. If your credit's a little bit on the high side, you're going to pay more. So, now, if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Would love to hear from you. And here's some of my contact information. Feel free to connect with me. Do you agree with me? Do you disagree with me? Do you have something you want to say? I would love to hear from you. So, talk to you all later.